Hey guys, it's Ernie here from Promptlys. It's been a busy month and a half of coding, testing, and just working with various key stakeholders of Promptlys. And I'm now super excited to introduce to you Promptlys on WhatsApp. Promptlys on WhatsApp is a messenger-based GPT-4 powered AI assistant. In other words, you get to interact with a premium version of ChatGPT directly on WhatsApp for free. But there's more. And in this video, we'll be going over the core features. First, let's get to the WhatsApp interface here. As you can see, we had just started to engage with it by saying hello. And the first feature is the prompt generator. Promptlys is all about prompts. It's about creating quality prompts that generate quality results. Oftentimes, we have brilliant yet fleeting ideas in our mind that we have trouble converting them into words. So prompt generator is precisely built to help you with that. So we prefix with a slash prompt prefix and followed by a few keywords of whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. For example, my first visit to the Scandinavian countries. And let's see what it comes up with. Let's give it a few moments here. Okay, this is the response. Certainly, here's how to craft a specific and detailed prompt using a given description. The role is a travel enthusiast and first-time visitor to the Scandinavian country with a tone of excited and inquisitive. And here's the prompt. Hello, I recently embarked on my first ever journey to the Scandinavian countries, exploring the vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and innovative cities of Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. With a keen interest in Viking history, modern design, and the stunning natural beauty of fjords and forests, I'm eager to dive deeper into what makes each of these countries unique. Could you provide insights on culture highlights? What are some must visit museum or culture sites in Stockholm, Oslo, and Copenhagen that are quintessentially Scandinavian and offer a deep dive into Viking history, modern Nordic design, and local traditions? Yeah, so this is a prompt text I can never pull off the top of my head. And prompt generator is precisely built to turn a few keywords into well-formed specific prompts that can then generate quality results. Now let's get to the second feature. Now this is the fun one. With a slash image prefix and followed by a prompt text, you can build images. So I'm a basketball junkie, so I'm going to ask it to build an image of a basketball court with a restaurant around it, full bar and restaurants around it. I'm just coming up with it off the top of my head. Let's see. Let's give it a few moments. There we have it. It's pretty impressive. Yeah, we got people. We got people around the basketball court. I'm assuming that's part of the restaurants, and yeah. So this image generator is a popular one amongst our private beta testers, and it's easy to use. And basically how it works is you use the prompt generator, the prompt builder that we talk about in our first point, to build a well-formed prompt. Then you can use it to generate an image. Third, we're going to talk about real-time queries. As many of you who are familiar with ChatGPT may know already, that ChatGPT is not real-time aware, meaning that it's only trained on data up to a certain timestamp. So what we have done is to integrate real-time queries, so we can detect. What we do is we detect the nature of the prompt and see if it's real-time data related, and turn them into references to related web links. So weather forecast is a prime example of a real-time query. So let's ask, what is the weather forecast in Tokyo for the next 7 days? And what it comes up with is, while I'm not trained on real-time data, here are the top 3 relevant links. Be prepared with the most accurate 10-day forecast of Minatoku, Tokyo Prefecture, Japan, with highs, lows. And here is a link that we can go to see the 10-day weather forecast of Tokyo. So that is helpful. So this is basically a workaround solution to real-time queries that the OpenAI API currently cannot cater to, essentially. Now, the fourth feature is, if you hit a mental block, like you forgot what commands to use, you can always use /guide that brings up all the key commands of the of this WhatsApp Promptly on WhatsApp. So we're gonna type about to browse what Promptly is about, a brief overview of Promptlys, and then /prompt to the prompt, prefix /prompt to the prompt to descriptors, and we are going to revise and enhance your prompt. So these are the key commands that you may review by using /guide. Now, one note about the /image feature, since image generating is more expensive than text generating, so you can generate up to 8 images for free, then you can pay $10 for 25 additional images if you wish to build more. Now, last but definitely not least, the fifth feature is the access to custom GPT. Custom GPT is, as its name suggests, it's a customized GPT experience for its user. It's a GPT trained on custom data to a specific domain or business. So here's an example. If I type /D2G, which represent a specific custom GPT called Dust to Gold, which is essentially a book titled Dust to Gold. And you can ask specific questions about the book, such as narrate, or rather summarize the first chapter in 100 words or less. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay. Chapter 1, titled Blessing in Disguise, unfolds with unexpected layoff of Zhang Huyu from Apple despite being an esteemed digital signal processing engineer amidst the tech company's financial downturn. Zhang finds himself ousted. So this is the summary of the first chapter to the book called Dust to Gold, which is written by one of our partners about his amazing experience, an entrepreneurship experience taking a company to IPO at the beginning of the internet boom. Okay, so essentially we can customize a GPT for a specific business. This is a pay feature that is based on um, the custom data, and if you wish to know more, there will be more videos on how we can go about building a custom GPT for your business. Now, many of you may be wondering this question. Hasn't Meta AI come around and been released recently that does the same thing? And that's a fair question. So Meta AI exactly has recently been released within the last 2 months or so across regions. Most it started with US and also a few regions in Asia and Europe. What Meta AI is designed to do is to also serve the purpose of assistant, but rather its target users would be everyday users that would often ask real-time questions like, what happened with March Madness in the last week or so? And then it's excellent in basically combining real-time questions and queries with AI. So essentially turn real-time queries into a very conversational type of format and responses. It's excellent in doing that. And Promptly on WhatsApp, on the other hand, is superior in content generating. It's very creative. Also, it's very good at technical questions. So if you ask it to write programs, it is very good, much better at doing so than Meta AI does. And lastly, Promptlys on WhatsApp differentiates itself from the prompt with the prompt generating feature. Prompt generation is a key component of Promptlys, and we have basically built a specific feature that helps you to form well-formed prompts that can then generate quality responses. And I hope that gives a good overview of what we have offered here with Promptly on WhatsApp. And if you are interested, please go to demo.promptlys.ai and click the Join Promptlys on WhatsApp link or button here, and it'll take you to a form that asks you to fill out a few questions, and we'll get you on the list. Basically, you need to provide your phone number or your WhatsApp phone ID to us, and then we'll send you an invite. I will also provide this link in this description section of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on WhatsApp, Promptly on WhatsApp, and then in the next video. Thank you.